How to clean your Oculus Quest 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video we are going to be learning how we can clean our Oculus Quest 2, so make sure to watch the video till the end. The very first step to clean our Oculus Quest 2 is to simply separate the straps from the headset. So I'm going to keep the controller aside for now, and then I'm simply going to show you how to remove the straps. To remove the straps, on the right hand side you can see the fine line, right? Just pull open this strap over here and then you can see it's been successfully removed, and you can see this is perfectly fine. Repeat the process for the other side as well. Just hold it open like this and then just pop it out towards the outside direction, and now you can see it'll get popped out just like that. You want to make sure that this is fine though. And then to remove this strap over here, this is also really simple. Just slide it open and just pull it out, and once you pull it out you can just go ahead and then put this to laundry or wash them wherever else you want, because this is basically only a strap. You can just make them wet or whatever else, it doesn't really matter. You can wash them up with the soap and water. Now keeping this aside, if you want to clean your headset, I don't recommend you get some water into it. If you have a liquid cleaner like this, then you can get this one. I'll make sure to drop a link to buy one of these from Amazon or wherever region you live in the description below. And then you want to make sure to have a soft cloth and make sure it's clean, by the way. And then just go ahead and don't spray directly onto the headset, because there are chances that it could damage it. You want to simply make sure to spray it around your soft cloth over here. Then once you've done that, make sure to first begin with the outside part. Once you begin with the outside part, you can just move on to the inside, because these are the parts where the most dirt are going to get occupied because of all the sweat while you're gaming it. So you want to make sure to simply clean these areas properly. Now if you are done cleaning this, you can actually also clean your controller, by the way, if you're not aware. So here I have my controller. I'm only showing you one for the purpose. If you want to remove the battery, just hold your palm like this and then just slide it upwards, and then now you can see the controller is opened up. You can even go ahead and then clean the controller. Make sure don't make your headset wet, because that's going to damage your headset. You can remove the straps and then wash it like I did. I removed my straps for you, but for the headset you don't want to get some water in it, so just keep that thing in mind. So hope this video helped you solve your question as to how you can clean your Oculus Quest. I basically showed you how to remove each part so you can clean them for easily. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.